So check this out. I have this really cool backpack from BREVITÉ. And honestly, this is like the perfect travel backpack. So let me tell you all about it, and quickly, because it's Thursday. I don't have a watch, but you know. So this backpack came in from BREVITÉ. It's made from a real good fabric that's weather resistant, machine washable, and it has a lifetime warranty. Lifetime warranty? Wow. There's a side pocket here for your water bottle or a tripod, and it's kind of stretchy, so it's easy to put water bottles in there. There are strong adjustable straps. They even have adjustable straps on the bottom in case you need to put anything else down there. Yeah, you can put a tripod, you can put a yoga mat, I mean, anything, just anything that you can dream up. There's a strap right here in the back that will actually sit easily on normal suitcase handles. A back pocket perfect for like passports or wallets or money. And that's a really good spot for it, because then you know nobody's gonna be stealing it when it's on your back, because you know, they'd have to really get right in there. Ooh, got a wallet in there, cool. Just wondering where that went. And in this front pocket right here, you get a good spot for cables and miscellaneous items. You have these 4 different mesh pockets right here that hold them in place, and you can just set other items just right there in that pocket. On the top, you get the laptop compartment, and the zipper looks a little bit more weatherproof, which is really nice, and it will fit laptops up to 16 inches. So already just so much storage. But wait, there's more. This midsection you can access up here, and also there's another little secret compartment as well. And on this pocket right here, they actually give you a really quick access point. And they also give you these Velcro dividers so you can customize it the way you need it. So you can easily put your gear right here and access it really quickly. On the other side, there's another zip pocket for quick access into the backpack itself. So yeah, it's just really good and highly functional. It comes in a variety of different colors, absolutely perfect for traveling, and not just for camera gear, but useful for anything. But if you are looking for a new backpack, seriously, this is a great buy. Oh no, we're out of time. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching this 30-second Thursday video. If you are new here, don't be a stranger, click that button right there, and links to everything will be found in the description, plus a surprise link, so do check it out down there. All right, a lot more cool gear to share with you soon, so stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.
That's it.